In an unprecedented twist of political events, President-elect Donald Trump secured a landmark victory in the legal battles that loomed over him. On a pivotal Monday, special counsel Jack Smith made an unexpected move to dismiss the two federal cases against Trump, citing the established precedent that a sitting president cannot face criminal prosecution while in office. One of these cases involved Trump's controversial actions surrounding the Capitol riot on January 6, 2021. In a court of law, U.S. District Court Judge Tanya Chutkan granted the dismissal without prejudice, maintaining that the immunity of a sitting president is only temporary and expires upon leaving office. While this technicality permits future prosecution once Trump exits office at the end of his second term, practical reality suggests this is unlikely. By that time, Trump's age and a potential Republican successor would likely diminish chances for renewed legal action. This legal victory parallels Trump's triumph in the recent election, defeating Vice President Kamala Harris, which elevated him to a stature reminiscent of former President Grover Cleveland, the only person prior to Trump to win non-consecutive presidential terms. Not only has Trump's political career experienced a resurgence, but his legal jeopardy seems to have dissipated, with major indictments against him evaporating. The second federal case targeted the cache of sensitive documents discovered at Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate. The charges, including conspiracy to obstruct justice and mishandling national defense information, appeared to be the most compelling. However, a Trump-appointed judge dismissed the case earlier, leading to an appeal now rendered moot by Smith's recent decision. Parallel to these dismissals, Trump's team is keenly pursuing the nullification of another conviction in New York involving 34 counts related to falsified business records linked to hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels. Prosecutor Alvin Bragg conceded that any sentencing would be postponed until the conclusion of Trump's second term. Meanwhile, a separate Georgia state case regarding attempts by Trump and his supporters to overturn the 2020 election faces persistent delays, compounded by Trump's legal maneuvers to disqualify the lead prosecutor. What emerges is a landscape where Trump appears insulated from legal consequences, notwithstanding the historical blemish of being the first convicted felon to hold presidential office. Celebration ensued among Trump's allies, who viewed Smith's retreat as validation of their claims of past legal injustices. Trump expressed his disdain through social media, branding the charges against him as unfounded and malign. Supporters like Senator Tom Cotton cast the prosecutions as political aggressions rather than legitimate legal matters, labeling them a dark chapter of weaponization. Opponents, however, perceived Trump's evasion from accountability as the ultimate miscarriage of justice. Representative Dan Goldman voiced concerns over the perceived immunity Trump enjoys from the law, as charged crimes languish without penalty. Senior-elect Adam Schiff criticized the Department of Justice and court system's inability to uphold the principle of accountability. Polls indicate a divisive perception of Trump's culpability, with Americans split largely along partisan affiliations.